Welcome to See You Here. This is Umar Story Special. Here we provide general knowledge questions and answers. So let's start the video. Question: which part of the egg contains the most nutrients? Select right answer. A. The yolk. B. The egg white. C. The chalaza. Answer A. The yolk. Question: what is the official language of Pakistan? A. Urdu. B. Hindi. C. English. Answer A. Urdu. Question: what is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Pacific Ocean. Answer C. Pacific Ocean. Question: what is the tallest mammal in the world? A. African elephant. B. Giraffe. C. Blue whale. Answer C. Blue whale. Question: what is the largest moon in the solar system relative to its host planet? A. Earth's moon. B. Jupiter's Ganymede. C. Saturn's Titan. Answer B. Jupiter's Ganymede. Question: how many layers does the Earth's atmosphere have? A. 3. B. 5. C. 7. Answer C. 7. Question: what is the first decentralized digital currency, as the system works without a central bank or single administrator? A. Bitcoin. B. Ethereum. C. Ripple. Answer A. Bitcoin. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Goodbye.